Hey Scots, I'm Adrian.
And I'm Tiffany.
And today's show is dedicated to the homecoming nominees who are running for King and Queen.
Get those phones out and get ready to vote.
Hi Scots, today we're here with
Riley DeArmond.
And I'm gonna ask you a few questions today. So the first question is, what's your favorite hype song for a game or event?
Probably Last Friday Night by Katy Perry.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Torres. Who am I here with today?
Eric Tays.
And the first question I have for you is, if you could eat one cafeteria meal for the rest of the school year, what would it be?
I would probably have to say the double cheeseburgers. Those are pretty good. Those are pretty fire.
Hello, Scots. Today we are joined here with
Chloe Robinson.
And if you could eat one school lunch for the rest of the year, what would it be and why?
It would be the cafeteria's taco nada because it's always delicious.
True.
Hi, I'm Eliana Burquez. Who am I here with?
Colby Stewart.
If you could only eat one cafeteria meal for the rest of the year, what would it be?
Probably the old reliable taco nada. It's been my favorite since I was in elementary, so I have to go with taco nada for sure.
Good answer.
Hi Scots, I'm Celeste and I'm here with
Rylan Arnoldis.
What's your go-to hype song before a big game or event?
My go-to hype song is All I Do Is Win by DJ Khaled.
Hi, I'm Tessa and I'm here with
Luke Para.
And if you could have one cafeteria food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I'm gonna have to go with a taco nada just because, they're always done like that, so it's good.
Hey Scots, my name is Emily. Today I'm here with
Ashley Martinez.
Now, which teacher do you think would win Homecoming King or Queen if they tried?
I think Mr. Valdez would win if he tried to win Homecoming King.
That's a really good answer.
And if a teacher could run for Homecoming Queen or King, who do you think would win and why?
I think Senora Delgado will win Homecoming King because he's very social with all of the students around campus, and Miss Herzog would win Homecoming Queen because she is there to support every student around campus.
If you were a movie character, which one would you be and why?
I would be Elle Woods because she was smart, determined, and even though people didn't believe in her, she got to where she wanted to be.
And if you were a movie character, who would you be?
Probably Pinkie Pie from My Little Pony.
That's so cute.
And how do you show your school spirit here at Highland?
I would say just always repping Highland, always repping the Scots, and just always being a leader on campus and supporting everybody else, you know what I'm saying?
If you could describe yourself in 3 words, what would they be?
I would say probably laid back. Second one is maybe funny. I can be funny on a good day. And the third one is probably just nice and kind. I'm just nice to everyone. Can never catch me being mean to anyone.
Now, if you were a movie character, who would you be and why?
I would be Caroline because I used to watch her when I was little and I really liked the character.
Honestly, amazing choice. I love Caroline too.
If you can describe yourself in 3 words, what would it be?
3 words, I'll probably have to say adorable, cute, and petite.
You heard the man.
So how do you show your school spirit on campus?
I show my school spirit by cheering on our sports teams and also planning events at Highland.
What do you think makes you stand out from the other nominees?
I feel like what makes me stand out from the other nominees is most of the other nominees are an ASB or are cheerleaders, and I'm not in any of that.
Yeah.
I feel like I just wanted to run so that I can show you even if you're not in that kind of stuff, you can still do fun school things.
Definitely, yeah.
And how do you show your school spirit around Highland?
I show my school spirit by wearing cheer gear because I am the Highland High School varsity cheerleader, and for ASB, I show school spirit by dressing up for each spirit week.
Amazing.
What is your favorite Scots memory?
Favorite memory would probably just be all 4 years of football, playing with my teammates and just making bonds and friendships and memories.
If you were a movie character, what would you be and why?
Movie character? I'd probably say somebody like Venom because he's like a superhero and a villain at the same time.
Okay. And what's your favorite Scots memory so far?
My favorite Scots memory so far is winning the junior float last year because it was a great group of people and I had a lot of fun doing it.
If teachers could run for homecoming, who would you think should run?
I'm gonna say Mr. Para because it runs in the family, of course.
Next question. How do you show your school spirit here at Highland?
I show my school spirit by spreading positivity around campus, cheering on our athletes on the field, and cheering people on in the classroom.
How do you show your school spirit on campus?
I feel like I try to stick to the plaid motto pretty well, and I try to just be kind to everyone I come across, and I love cheering at football games and at rallies.
Oh.
And how do you show your spirit on campus?
I show my school spirit on campus just by trying to stay involved and just trying to make new friends, make new connections, just meet new people. Yeah.
What is your favorite Scott's memory so far?
My favorite Scott's memory was my first time dancing on the football field with my friends.
That's so cute.
And if you could describe yourself in 3 words, what would they be?
Energetic, fun, and caring.
What's something people don't know about you that they should?
Something that people don't know about me is I have 2 older brothers that I really look up to about every day.
And how would you use your homecoming royalty to inspire others at school?
I would just use it to bring everybody else up. If I win, we all win at the end of the day.
And what teacher do you think could run for king or queen if they could run?
I think probably Mr. Marquez, just because like he's a baller, man. He got motion and he's pretty buff too, so I think he would probably win it. I think he would get the majority vote, and yeah.
What's your favorite Scott's memory so far?
Probably when Scotty and Scottiana came in at the fall rally, because we hadn't seen Scottiana for a while. I thought she was missing.
No, me too.
And if you win, what would your victory dance look like?
It would look like this. Make sure you vote Chloe Robinson for your homecoming queen.
If you had to describe yourself in 3 words, what would it be?
They would be determined, hardworking, and spirited.
If you could describe yourself in 3 words, what would they be and why?
I would describe myself as caring because I think I care a lot for others, and I'd also say I'm loving and confident.
How do you show your school spirit on campus?
I show my school spirit by wearing a lot of Highland gear. I wear a lot, and I tell a lot of my young friends to play a lot of sports to get involved.
If you could use 3 words to describe yourself, what would they be?
3 words. Tall, athletic, friendly.
How would you use your role as homecoming royalty to inspire others at school?
I think it's important to get out of your comfort zone and still go for things even if you're nervous.
If you could plan one new school tradition, what would it be?
I would say like every Friday, I would open up the pool to all the kids and just let everyone jump in and have a good time, you know?
If you were to win, what would your victory dance look like?
Man, hey, I would probably have to bust out a backflip or something. I don't even know how to backflip, but we gonna learn or we gonna try it. And yeah.
We're gonna have to see it.
Yeah, y'all go see it.
If you win homecoming royalty, how would you use that to inspire others?
I feel like I would use my role as homecoming royalty to inspire others to just be kind and loving and giving to other people. I feel like there's a lot of hate in this world, and a lot of just like bullying, I guess. And I think we should all just be way more like gracious and compassionate to each other.
Definitely, that's good.
And lastly, for the last question, what makes you stand out from the other nominees?
Something that makes me stand out from the other nominees is that I'm driven with a purpose in everything that I do on campus. I don't just do it for the title, but because I want to bring people up in life, on the field and in the classroom. And I think that winning homecoming court will bring people up in spirit and show our heart on campus.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
And why do you think the students here at Highland should vote for you for homecoming queen?
They should vote for me for homecoming queen because I'm very involved around Highland High School. I'm the concertmaster of Highland High School Orchestra. I am a Highland High School varsity cheerleader, a varsity swimmer, and I am ASB publicity chair, so I'm very well known around campus.
So how would you use your role as homecoming royalty to inspire others at school?
I would say it's okay to get out of your comfort zone, and even if you're nervous about the results, still go for it.
Why should your classmates vote for you to be homecoming king?
I think they should vote for me because I never really done this before, and I think it would be cool just to share this moment with my family and friends. It would be cool.